We're an ordinary family in search of the extraordinary, right in our own backyard. Join us as we hit the road together and explore the great outdoors. From the beaches,
woo-wee, so stoked,
to the back roads and everything in between that we can experience together. Nothing fancy, just this grand adventure called life.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm out here at the Tidelands Toys for Tots Tournament. It's December 8th, 2018. It's a little chilly, it's not too bad. I'm gonna go out today, try to catch 3 monster sand bass, spotted bay bass, or calicos. We'll see what happens. I came out yesterday, had a decent day, and see if I can repeat it today. I've already seen a lot of fellow vloggers, so it's gonna be a good time. Let me show you what we got so far. These are all the toys that have been brought in. And this is completely a fundraising event, so nothing, from what I understand, will be going to anything but the Marine Corps Toys for Tots. These are the rules. And this is my battlefield for the day. And these are my competitors. Look at these guys. That's a lot of people. Let's see what we can do today. All right, guys, literally first cast, and I already got one. That A-rig paid off. Look at that. I don't think he's quite that 8-inch minimum the tournament's looking for. Let's measure him anyways. Let's find out. Woo! Pokies. Okay, he's definitely 9 inches, 10 inches, but we're gonna keep looking, see if we can get something bigger. All right, guys, I was out here trolling the umbrella rig again. Something hit it hard. Let's hope this is a good one. Woo-wee, this feels good. Oh, keep it tension. Let's get that out of the way. Ooh, just kind of stopped fighting so much. Please don't tell me he got away. Oh, there he is. Cool. Ah, it's not too bad. Not too bad. All right. Oh, one of the umbrella hooks got me. Let's get the fish first. Priorities. Got to get the fish before getting the hook out of the leg. You know what I mean? And of course, man, these guys. Ow, teeth and lockjaws. Woo! Oh. All right. I will not complain, guys. Look at that. Heck yes. Oh, yes. Ow, let go of my fingers. Woo, that hurt. Okay, so I'm looking at 13. I'm touching 13 and a half. Heck yes. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys. Had a little bit of problems with my other pole. Had to switch over to this one. Didn't get anything for a while on the A-rig red, or the Christmas tree color, so I switched back over to the white. Within a couple minutes I got one, so colors are changing. Always got to keep switching it up so you have an idea of what they're going to be biting on. Not a bad little spotty right there. Man, I'm glad I switched up my colors because literally within the first 5 minutes, I've gotten 2 fish. Let's check this one out, see what we got here. Doesn't feel as big. No, not at all. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this guy off and then keep fishing. Got one, and it's putting up a little bit of fight. I'm hoping that I could beat that 13.5 that I just got a little while ago. So let's see what I got. Oh, I got 2 of them. Look at that. Look at that. I got 2. Second day using the Alabama rig, and I got 2. Look at that. All right. Got another one. Let's see how this one is. This thing's put up such a good fight. All I've caught, the biggest one I've ever caught is about 13.5, 14 inches. So anything up to that size to me is a good fighting fish. So let's see what this one's got on it. Ooh, slow down, bud. About 11.5. Let's keep fishing. I was literally on my phone submitting my catches to the app. Had one hit it when I was just sitting there. A-rig does good just sitting on the bottom too. Oh, easy there, Kelly. Take a look at him, see what he is. So I got a 13 and 2 12s right now on the board. I don't know where that's gonna put me, but we'll find out. So, one more for the books, guys. All right, I've been catching them pretty consistently. I haven't been recording all of them, just the ones that I feel might be a good size. Having a blast right now. This guy, I thought he was bigger than this, but he might not be. I'm gonna measure him, send him home. All right, I'm coming to the end of the day. Decided to come in here, fish next to the in the moorage, see what I could get. Got a little one right there, felt bigger than that. All right, guys, to conclude the tournament, I caught a lot of fish, caught some big spotties, at least big to me, and had a blast. Looks like the winners are gonna be the guys who caught sand bass. I wouldn't even know where to start with those, so good job to them. And hope you guys like the video. If you like it, hit subscribe, follow along, and leave comments below. I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed fishing and making it. Thanks, guys.